Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at the last question of sample paper 1 section D. So it states that find the mean, median, mode for the following data. This is your data wherein you've been given the number of observations, and this is nothing but the 14th chapter of your textbooks, that is statistics. So how do we find the mean, median and mode? We know that mean is the number that is going to give you the average. Median is the number that will divide your data into two equal halves. But for that you need to arrange your data into either ascending order or descending order. And mode is the value that is going to give you the observation that is repeated most frequently. Okay, so it's going to give you the data of the most frequent occurrence. And for this it is advisable that you you rewrite your data into ascending or descending order, but it is not really that important. But for median, yes, you need to arrange your data either into ascending order or descending order. And also mean is that value, an average value that gets affected by extreme values present in your data, whereas median and mode do not. We have learned this in the chapter statistics as well. So let's get started with question number 28, finding the mean, median and mode. So I'll say question number 28, for given, you're just going to rewrite your data. So just rewrite the data or the observations that you've been given. You're just going to write these numbers down and find, you'll say I need to find the mean, median and mode. I'll say solution, finding the mean. So how do we find the mean? The mean is nothing but the average, which is the sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So first we'll find the total number of observations. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the total number of observations is 12. You have the denominator, and sum of all observations, you're going to add all these numbers. So let's write this down. I'll say mean. We know that it is denoted by x bar. It is going to be summation of you will just write sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Or you can even write x bar is equal to summation I is equal to 1 upon the total up to the total number of observations that you have, 12, and you will write xi divided by, so xi is nothing but the values of x, the variable that you take into account from 1 to 12. So x1 is going to be 10, x2 is going to be 15, x3 is going to be 18 and so on until x12 is going to be 25 upon I is equal to 1 up to n, and you will write I, not I, you will write upon n. That is the total number of observations that you have, right? So anyway, what you're going to substitute the values for all the observations that you have in the numerator with an addition sign in between. So this is going to be 10 plus 15 plus 18 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 21 plus 18 plus 15 plus 25 upon the total number of observations, which is 12. So now when you add these numbers in the numerator, you will get 189. I'm not really calculating it right now. I'm sure you can do simple addition. So 189 divided by 12. So 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are 9. and 63 divided by 4. So this would be 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20. So 15.75 is your mean. So I'll say x bar is equal to 15.75. This is your mean. You're going to mark it as 1. Now what about going about find the median? So for the median we need to arrange our data or the observations into ascending or descending order. Let's say I'm just arranging them into ascending order. So I'll say finding median and mode. We'll find them both together because we will have our data arranged into ascending order, right? So let's write down the smallest observation that we have. The smallest observation that we have, 10. So 10 is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do we have? The next observation, the higher number is 15, 15 and 15. So 15 is occurring 3 times. Then what do we have? We have 18 occurring once. Then you have 20. So 20 is there once and twice. And then you have 21 and 25. Let's compare if we have written the actual number of observations, that is 12. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the total number of observations that we have is 12. Now 12, n is equal to 12, which is an even number. So when the number of observations is even, how do you find the median? Your formula for finding the median is nothing but it's going to be the mean of n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. This is going to give you the median. So now, which is the n upon 2th observation? N is 12, so n upon 2 is going to be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So let's see, check the 6th observation. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is going to be the mean of 6th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 is 6 plus 1, which is the 7th observation. So which is your 7th observation? It is 15 again. So this is going to be the 6th observation and 7th observation are 15 plus 15 and divided by 2 because we are taking the mean. So this is nothing but 30 divided by 2, which is 15. So your mean is 15. Sorry, the median is 15. And also using this data arranged in ascending order, we can find what is the mode. Mode is nothing but the observation that has most frequency. So here if you notice, the observation that has most frequency is 10 and it is occurring 4 times. See, we have 15 also, it's occurring thrice, 18 is occurring once, 20 is occurring twice, 21 is only once and 25 is only once. So 10 is the observation in the given sample data which has most frequency or maximum number of occurrence. So I'll say mode is equal to 10. Let's mark this as 2 and 3. So you'll write down your answer from 1, 2 and 3. What do you have? You have your mean as 15.75, median as 15 and mode as 10. So this is the solution to the last question of sample paper 1. Please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.